everyone. My name is Sachith. I am from Sri Lanka. Today I am going to be making sesame balls, or in Sri Lanka we call it as talaguli. These are the ingredients to making this wonderful sweet. They are sesame, coconut, vanilla essence, salt, jaggery, dried raisins and cashews. First, we put in a little amount of sesame into a grinder along with coconut. Next, we put some vanilla essence. Along with that, we add some jaggery and salt. Next, we grind it until it has become a mixture. This will be the outcome of the mixture after you grind it. Take a small portion of the mixture and put it into a mold. Fill up the mold with mixture until it has reached the top. Next, squeeze it until you see the leftovers. Next, remove the leftovers and keep it away from the mixture. Squeeze it a little more until it is ready. Then, hold the mold and push the mixture up so that you get a circular shape. Next, for decorations, you can add 1 cashew and 1 raisin. There you go. This is an absolutely delicious dessert made in Sri Lanka. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you.